Hello, Kiwanis friends. Jared Goldsmith here again from eSAX Virtual Events. Now, the big day is here. The event is about to start. You would use the same link that was provided to you by the Kiwanis Club of Ottawa, or it's also the same link that you might have saved into your, let's say, your email program. You click it, and it will open up into, again, the landing page of the event. Only this time, now that the event has started, let's say it's a little after 12 o'clock on the day of the event, you'll see an option on the right-hand side that says event has started. Sign in to join event. Move your mouse over to that blue graphic and left click it. Then it will ask you to include your email address that you signed up for the event. Make sure I spell that right. Click continue. And then enter that password that you hopefully remember. If you have not remembered your password, you can click the graphic that says forgot password, and you will be sent an email. But let's say you wrote down that password, you remember what it is, you enter it, you click join event now. Now here's the fun, here we go, very exciting. The first thing, it will give you a little bit of instructions. You can follow along to understand the platform. Okay, very nice. Or if you've already, you could also set up a profile, we could talk about that later. This is asking you if you want to save up your profile. Sure. Now it will bring you to, it's like a test page to test your camera and microphone. You could click a little audio.
Can you hear me? If yes.
If you hear that, your microphone's working great. You could toggle your camera to different settings. You might have a multiple camera or different microphones, but let's say you only have one camera microphone, it's working great. You click join event on the right-hand side. Now, it brings you to the actual event. There's a little recording about how to use the platform. If you're welcome to watch it. It's only about 2 minutes long. If you just want to go straight into the event, you click awesome, let's begin. Great. So now my name is I just entered my name, Jared Goldsmith. So these are my initials, JG. This is me. I am sitting in this case, table 1. So you could zoom in with your mouse and zoom out. So that's me, table 1. But my camera's not on yet. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen, it's red. It says cam off. To turn my camera on, I have to left click that button. There we go. Now my camera is on and my microphone is on. You see they're both blue at the bottom. In this case, I am sitting in table number 1. There are 5 other empty seats here. So there are up to 5 other people can join me. But let's say I see President Bill in table number 2. I cannot talk to President Bill yet. I have to be in the same table as President Bill. So to get to table 2, you move your mouse over to table 2 and you double click. So you left click your mouse button twice pretty quickly together. And now my little graphic, my avatar, is in table 2. So now I'm only talking to people in table 2. That's about as complex as it gets, folks. As long as you could turn your camera and microphone on, you are going to have a great event. And we hope you have a fantastic experience. There will be assistance in the event itself to help you out. And happy networking. Yours in Kiwanis, everybody. Thank you very much.